So Panasonic Canada actually lent me this GH5 to try out. Not paying me to say anything, but I'm loving using this camera. And I'm kind of curious to know what you guys think of this camera.
Good job. It's a neat sound.
Yeah.
So cute.
This place has some amazing treehouse-style cabins. Like that one is a legit treehouse on trees. Wow. Woo!
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one would have been a good one too. Check out the sweet bridge.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh man, this one's like a castle with a bridge. Wow.
Yes, you're right. This is cute.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah. So for lunch we've got little cheese, sausage, crackers, and trail mix.
Yeah, it was only supposed to be 5 centimeters today, but here, anything can happen. In you go.
Going hiking.
No. There, Chris is trying to get a good screenshot. Anything for a good screenshot. What? Look at that! It's higher than what you would normally expect. Snowy. And I like it. And it's more is coming. So pretty. Down by the lake, eh?
Woo. Wow.
Oh, it's so much brighter out here. It's snowing. Snowstorm!
I really want to go out there.
Yeah, I know. Just like run across.
Yeah.
But we're not allowed to. Apparently the ice is surprisingly thin. Womp womp.
Oh.
Alright, let's go hiking.
Yeah. Woo.
Woo! Snowbat.
Aw. Look at how much snow is on this tree. My work here is done.
Ooh, is that a bridge? Is it enough snow for you?
Yeah. I could use a little bit more though.
Up and away.
Wow. This hill's got some serious up to it. It still keeps going. Oh.
Oh, jeez. I just slipped.
Wouldn't be a good hike without a good hill though. Oh yeah, almost there. Oh.
Perfect day for a lookout.
Hey look, you can see lots of snow. Nice.
I'm done. I'm so done.
Oh.
That was not 850 meters.
It's a good thing it's weather sealed. Time to head back before it gets dark.
Yeah.
I have both headlamps fully charged. Right here. Got this.
Ooh, that's a steep.
Here we go.
So, a little bit different than our running video. I'll link to it down below. You should definitely check it out.
This is like a powder as the wind is running.
is so much fun. Howda!
Woo! Whoa! Powder! Woo! Oh, burning some colors now. Oh, I fell at the same time.
Are you feeling like a little animal or something?
Yeah, that's wild. Ooh.
We're made it. Oh, it's warmer down here. Oh, that's good. Hey, cutie.
Hey, cutie. Winter Wonderland, eh?
Home sweet treehouse. So tonight we play bears versus babies.
Boom, boom, boom. So this game is essentially 3 armies of different kinds of babies that build up over time. And you draw cards from over here and you create your bear or monster and prepare them for battle against the babies, which can be provoked during the game. But there's a lot of strategy involved. It's so much fun because there are so many permutations in the game. And don't get me wrong, like it's actually quite easy to play, but tons of fun.
Chili with pulled chicken and chipotle. Nom 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 nom. And Paracuda. Wearing incredible underpants. Your move, Prouse.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, count your babies. 20.
Oh, I've got 20 as well.
Nice.
Tie. Nice job.
Good
wow.
job.
That came out really well, actually. Bears versus babies.
It's also some rose. It's hotter now.
Ooh.
The verdict? Delicious. So, what were your highs and lows today?
Oh, I think for me it was bounding down the mountain in the snow, just feeling like a kid, and yeah, completely bundled up in all our snow gear and just rushing through knee-deep snow. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And for me, my low would have been pulling the firewood all the way back from the visitor center, all the way back to here. It's actually it's legit. It's a
It
pretty
took like
challenging.
an hour and a half to just
Yeah.
collect another bag of firewood.
Yeah.
Which is kind of annoying.
I'm sure people who watch the video are gonna be like, "Oh yeah, it just took like a few minutes to like take the firewood and bring it back." But yeah, it was like you said, it was like an hour and a half.
Mm-hmm.
It was crazy. Yeah. And it's not like we are usually up for a really good challenge, but I think it
was unexpected.
It was unexpected, and it took up a chunk of our day that we thought would be devoted to hiking. So, but yeah, I think Outno Park has a better system where they put all the wood right next to the cabins.
Mm-hmm.
And
then you're just lugging in your stuff.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, what about you? What were your highs and lows?
So, samesies.
Yeah.
Yeah, running down the mountain. It felt like we were like animals, you know, like mountain goats, or like, you know, when you see dogs like leaping through the snow, and it just felt so effortless. And apart from that, I also really enjoyed like when we went to get wood and I was like kind of grumpy. And then the guy with his 2 dogs came out, and they were like the cutest dogs ever. They're just like so happy.
Yeah, we didn't film that part, but somebody...
Oh, I got some footage of that.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I guess we did. You've probably already seen it. Yeah.
Yeah, and I enjoy playing Bears vs. Babies with you as well.
Yeah. It's an amazing game.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It is good.
Yeah, it's really well done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And your low?
Same as you. Just, unexpectedly having to go and get more firewood, and having that unexpectedly take a lot longer and a lot more effort than we had anticipated.
Yeah.
Just the expectations versus reality.
Yeah.
Yeah. On the other hand, though, the thing that I like better about this cabin as opposed to Gatineau is that you're right on the lake, so you can easily go and get lake water, and they've got it all set up so you can just kind of, you know, fill up your jug quite easily. Yeah. And then you don't have to transport all your water, and you don't have to melt snow, which is nice.
Yeah, this cabin is quite cozy. I think that's another thing that I really appreciate about it. Mm-hmm. It's very warm. It's very picturesque as well. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So yeah, I should say, even though we had to traipse through the woods with our wood, it's still been a really enjoyable experience.
It's been a really good trip.
We had a blast hiking today. Yeah. I think it's time that we head in for the night. Had some great exercise today. I think we're going to sleep really, really well tonight. Mm-hmm. And looking forward to tomorrow as well. Mm-hmm. So,
should be more beautiful weather.
Yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye.
Open the windows while operating the stove.
It's good coffee.
See you later, cabin.
Bye, Kevin.
Are we there yet? Quebec, where snowplows go to die. Snowplows like, I'm done! It's only January! Had enough snow for the entire year! I'm just done! Hope! You saved me!